Good morning, dear students. Today we are discuss the remaining part of the mode. When the unequal class interval is given, then how can we find mean? When the class interval is inclusive forms, how can find out the mode? When mid value is given, then how can we find mode? So, dear students, how calculate mode in a different cases? When mid value is given, inclusive is given, unequal class interval given, how can find mode under continuous series? So see guys, the first case is find mode when class interval is unequal. For example, that's your class interval is given like 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 90, and 90 to 100. That's a frequency. 5, 7, 9, 25, 30, 24, 8 or 6. So, dear students, the maximum frequency is 30. According to inspection method, the mode group is shows higher frequency. So in this question, the maximum frequency is 30. So that's your F1. Above portion shows F0. Below portion shows F2. That's your L1 40 or I interval. Interval only considered these class interval 20, not below and not above. After that you will apply the formula Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. So Z is equal to L1 40 plus F1 30 minus F0 25 divided by 30 into 2 minus 25 minus F2, that's 24 into I 20. Z is equal to 40 plus 30 minus 25, 5 divided by 30 into 2, 60 minus 25 and 24, 49 into 20. So Z is equal to 40 plus 25 is 100 divided by 11. So Z is equal to 40 plus 9.09. So Z is equal to 49.09. That's answer. Clear beta? Unequal class interval is given, then we will find out more. That's your class interval 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 40, 40 to 60, 60 to 80, 80 to 90, 90 to 100. And that's your frequency is given. So here is the higher frequency is 30. So that's your F1. Above portion shows F0 and below portion shows F2. That's your L1 lower limit, and the difference will be taken between 60 or 40, 20. Then after that you will apply the formula z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. So z is equal to L1, that's your 40 plus F1 30 minus F0 25 divided by F1 30 into 2 minus F0 25 or F2 24 into I interval, that's your 20. After that you will calculate it. Z is equal to 40 plus 30 minus 25 5 divided by 30 into 2 60 minus 25 plus 24 49 into 20. So Z is equal to 40 plus 25 is 100 and divided by 11. So Z is equal to 40 plus 9.09. Z is equal to 49.09. That's answer. Clear beta? See beta, the next style of the question, calculation the mode when class interval is in inclusive series. That's our class interval. 10 to 19, 20 to 29, 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, 60 to 69 or 70 to 79. That's your frequency. 10, 12, 18, 30, 16, 6 or 8. So guys, under these question, first of all we will correct the class interval. You will subtract L1.5 and you will add it L2.5. So the class interval 9.5 to 19.5. Next one 19.5 to 29.5, 29.5 to 39.5, 39.5 to 49.5, 49.5 to 59.5, 59.5 to 69.5, 69.5 to 79.5. And that's your frequency. The higher frequency is 30. So that's your F1, above portion shows F0 and below portion shows F1. Clear beta? That's your L1 and that's I interval is equal to 10. Clear? After that you will apply the formula. Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. So Z is equal to L1 39.5 plus F1 30 minus F0 18 divided by 2 into 30 minus F0 18 minus F1 16 into I 10. So Z is equal to 39.5 plus 30 minus 18, 12 divided by, that's your 60 minus 34 into 10. So Z is equal to 39.5 plus 120 divided by 26. So Z is equal to 39.5 plus 4.62. So Z is equal to 44.12. That's your answer. Clear beta? So when the question is given inclusive series, then first of all you will correct its class interval, and after that you can apply the formula and the question will be solved out. So how is the correct the class interval? You will subtract in L1.5 and you will added L2.5. So the class interval is maintained 9.5, 5 add 19.5, 20 minus 0.5, so 19.5, 29 plus 0.5, so 29.5. Clear? So that's your class interval will be maintained, and the higher frequency in this 30. So dear students, that's your F1, above portion shows F0 and below portion shows F1, and that's your class interval, lower limit L1, and the interval is 10. The whole values put on this formula and then calculate, then answer will come. Clear beta? The next style, when in the question is given mid value, then how can we find out mode? That's your mid value is given 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75 or 85. That's a frequency. 5, 8, 12, 16, 28, 15, 3 or 2. So dear students, first of all we will maintain the class interval. In the class interval we have the two limits. The first one is lower limit L1 and the next one is upper limit L2. So we are maintaining the class interval with the help of mid value. The formula of L1 is equal to mid value minus I by 2. So L1 is equal to mid value, that's 15 minus I interval. How much? 10 divided by 2. So L1 is equal to 15 minus 5. L1 is equal to 10. So that's your 10. After that we will find out L2, the formula mid value plus I by 2. So L2 is equal to mid value 15 plus 10 by 2. So L2 is equal to 15 plus 5. L2 is equal to 20. The class interval is 10 to 20, first class interval. It is wrong or right, you can find out with the help of mid value. So mid value is equal to L1 plus L2 divided by 2, and that's your L1. 10 plus 20 divided by 2 means 30 by 2 equal to 15. That's your 15. So it is correct. After that you will check the distance. How much distance? 10, 10, then you will add it 10. 20, 10, 30, 30, 10, 40, 40, 10, 50, 50, 10, 60, 60, 10, 70, 70, 10, 80 or 80, 10, 90. Clear? After that you will apply the formula. Z is equal to L1 plus F1 minus F0, 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into I. See guys, in this question, in the frequencies maximum is 28. So that's your F1, above portion shows F0 and below portion shows F2. And the lower limit L1 is equal to 50, I is equal to 10. So Z is equal to 50 plus 28 minus 16 divided by 2 into 28 minus 16 minus 15 into I10. So Z is equal to 50 plus 12 divided by 56 minus 31 into 10. So z is equal to 50 plus 120 divided by 56 minus 31 will be equal to 25. So z is equal to 50 plus 4.8. Z is equal to 54.8. That's your answer. Clear beta? Between median, mode, mean or mode. So the formula z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. Clear guys? That's your relationship between mean, mode, median. Clear? For example, in the question is given mean and median value. Mean x bar is equal to 16 and median is equal to 20. Then find out mode z. So you will apply the formula z is equal to 3m minus 2x bar. Z is equal to 3 into 20 minus 2 into 16. Z is equal to 60 minus 32. So Z is equal to 28. That's your answer. Clear beta? So you can solve out all types of question in continuous series mode. You can also solve out, you can also shows the relationship between mean, mode, median with the help of these formula. Clear beta? So that's your topic is finished. You will prepare all practice question on your fair copies. If you have any doubt, then you can contact me. My contact number is 9910214225. Thank you very much, beta.